Yo, what's good everybody? It's me, Connor, back here with another video. And in today's video, we got sent a package. If you can read that, that says KSP Performance. So let's get back to unboxing this. It has some very nice, thick cardboard. Pop it open. Pop some thick, nice styrofoam holding the brand new forged aluminum upper control arms.
So it was probably very hard to see them last night because the light shining on them and them reflecting, but that's what they look like right now.
And they look fucking great in my opinion. I can't wait to get them powder coated.